What are you looking at? You think you're cool? That's some pretty good background music, Church. We don't need it right now. This is serious. Which one of you said, Mike, wow! Ha ha ha! Got you, little scab bitches. I saw you all fucking pee your pants. Go change your pants. That's embarrassing. Don't do that to yourself. Fuck. Fucking children. All of you. You're all fucking stupid. What are you still doing here? Go change your fucking pants. If I tell you again, I'm hitting you with a shovel. You want to blow my load, baby? You want to spew my goo? Well, let's see if you do. We left red water in Calais when we slid up those bitches in the valley. We got that sweet ass fly ride. We got out of there in no time. It's like, yeah, girl, grab that fucking weed. Oh, yeah. With a big fat smile because we're gonna smoke some killer pot. Go kill motherfuckers with nothing. Then we'll eat their bodies as we're burning them, and we'll say kumbaya. Ha ha ha. Bow to blow the earload. Baby, just don't choke. Just don't choke. We killed so many dumb mofos. Don't die blowing my load. Just don't choke. I'm high and I'm sitting here getting blown with her running around in circles. Oh man, I come down her eye. Now she's screaming, give me some chlorified. Lights off in my dually. That's how the cops knew it was me, yeah. I got all those dead bodies rolled and tarp stacked up on my truck. It's got dead bodies like motherfuckers. We killed so many idiots. Now she's mine and I wanna burn me, cause I'm gonna take her and I'm undone her. I know she wants to blow my dead load. Baby, watch out for the powder. It might go poof. Oh. I'm shooting blank dead loads, so go. Fuck that child support. Yeah. Buck, low. Blow my load, baby. Buck, low. You know what done, didn't you, dumbass? Well, that was wonderful of you, my little Jim Brewer Booger Boo. We got our Wolfie puppy here too, you. This is a Harley Quinn, the Joker's baby doll. The Joker's baby, yeah! Oh, the Joker's got a wolf for a puppy, yeah, the joke. I'm gonna beat her up. Oh, I'm gonna beat her up. There you go, Joey. Oh, right your face. You don't want to, you can't handle the truth. No, oh, don't like me, you vitamin kitty boo. Oh, the Harley Quinn I love so much. My little skill partner in crime. Oh, my partner in crime. You want to be my lab dog? You want to be the lab dog? Oh my God, you're gonna kill me. Scotty, get your fucking dog. She's a lesbo. Harley Quinn, what are you doing? Don't buckle out over there. Oh, you bearing your face, boy, you fucking coward. Don't be a coward, motherfucker. I love you. You're my pal. Don't ever bite me, though, because you were fucking killed me, man. Oh, I know you still my car. Now get down. You're fucking up my video. Anyway. That was the red taking. As was the video, Scotty.